Hey webhudi, angazi noma ubhudi noma usisi yini. Ngiyajabula mangizwa umuntu okhuluma kanje ngoba ngiyabona labantu abangiqondi qo. Hayi ngisabathe ngiyachaza labantu abangiqondi nje. Totally. Uyabona mina if I were to analyze into eshiwo Mkhwanazi njengoba besho bona ukuthi hayi this thing it was just a chess move from uMkhwanazi ukuthi ubheka icele ezogcinekile laphayana naye eyobeka iside lakhe. Hayi mina if I were to actually give you my analysis on this, bengizothi this was an agreement between ubheka icele noMkhwanazi. And I will also add ukuthi laphayana it's not just about us. No, it's not. Yabo, even though in the beginning it seemed as if, but to see Mkhwanazi doing what he just did, and I've come to realize, no man, this one might be a clash between ama drug cartels. Nyangizwa ke manje, sengishintshile manje. This might be a clash between it has nothing to do with what we think it was. This might be a clash between ama drug cartels. And no umuntu ukucamp yakhe, unfortunately uMacingwane uthe wangena on the wrong camp. Uyayibona leyo nto. That's why he had to be exposed together with whoever that is in the line, because we know what happened, guys. Let's not act as if we don't know. During the time when Bheki was the minister and Khetla Sithole was the commissioner, we know what happened, guys. Let's not act as if we don't know. With all the murders that came, we know what happened. There was a consignment that was found, which was worth millions. It was found by the police and they took it somewhere. And someone stole it. Or some police stole it from where it was being put. And to put it bluntly in jail, it's Bheki together with this gang. And it's Khetla Sithole with this gang. So these people, they were fighting for those drugs. So now, we must not act as if we don't know that happened. That's why they didn't get along. Because Cele is working with this group, and then Khetla Sithole was working with the other group. So these ones found the drugs. And then these ones came and stole the drugs. And the drugs were stolen under Bheki Cele's nose. We have one by Khetla Sithole's gang. And then those drugs that were stolen, they ended up in the hands of the DJs and all these other gangs, where DJ Somebody was also involved. And then now, these other ones, Bomlifi and all of those, they find out, no man, these guys are selling drugs at a cheaper price. And then they investigate and then they find those drugs were given to them by the police. And those drugs are the same drugs that were stolen in Durban. And then the fight ensued. That's when they went to them and pleaded with them, bring back the consignment. And what DJ Somebody and all of them. Because in this thing, you know how the game is out there. And it was not easy to get the drugs back. And then that's when they got shot, they were killed. So let's not act as if we don't know that. So now, Bheki Cele has found his card. Bheki Cele in this one, Bheki Cele is clean. Because he was on the side that lost. My analysis will end there. Because ngiyanibona ngathi benifuna ngianalyze. But I didn't want to analyze. Okwami bekukuveza ukuthi uMkhwanazi uthe and then kwenzakala ukuthi. But ngiyanibona manje you are pressing me to a corner so that I can analyze. I did not want to analyze. And what I'm saying, I know you know it. But I don't want to dwell too much onto that. Bese ngiveza nje ukuthi mina into ebengikhuluma iyodwa. Le ukuthi nifune ngianalyze, I was not analyzing. Manje seningitshela ngama analysis zenu no. So ngiyajabula uma kunomuntu understandayo ukuthi umkhwanazi whether kune game edlalwayo or not, umkhwanazi ukhomba indlela waphinde wajika. So it ends there. That's all I'm going to say for now. If you want me to add, I'll come back and add. Allegedly. Thank you.